Depression and anxiety are at an all-time high. They're global problems. The preferred frontline methods for mental health treatment in this country, talking therapies, serve people up to a point, but there's a recognition there's a huge need for other approaches. But Arts for the Blues is therapy is aiming to provide an alternative form of treatment. So using creative methods, whether that's movement, painting, drawing, sometimes creative writing, we can find different ways of enabling people to share what's going on with them. Arts for the Blues is a creative group psychotherapy model that's been developed collaboratively between myself as an artist with a background in poetry, Joanna Armolinska-Thurston, who's a psychologist working for the NHS and also working here at the University of Salford, and Professor Vicky Karku, who's a dance movement psychotherapist working at Edge Hill. And over the last 10 years, we've brought our different expertise together.
It started as a small project. Myself and my colleagues from the University of Salford dancing together and realizing we had common interests and we were benefiting from what we were doing, and we were trying to create something that would be robust enough and useful for a large number of different practitioners. And we introduced a number of different arts therapists came in the mix, and counselors contributing to the development of the model.
So we want to introduce Arts for the Blues because it will add in a really important choice to that mix. So certain people report very strongly that they're drawn to creative modes of psychotherapy, partly because they may be tired of actually talking about their problems, and they find creative methods a different way to kind of get it out of their system.
A lot of people are looking for other forms of expression and other ways of expressing yourself. People are asking, is there something else? I've said the same thing over and over again, and I want something different now, and people are asking for it.
Now that we're piloting in the NHS, we're also developing a training package which is available as a continuing professional development module. We're getting international interest in places as far away as Nepal and Pakistan. What we'd really like to do in the long term is influence the NICE guidelines, which is the National Institute for Clinical Excellence, to incorporate creative approaches as a frontline treatment for mental health. That's a long journey to go still, but that would be the ultimate goal for us.
It starts in Salford, a place where ideas are formed that shape the world.